Hi guys, Chicks here. Today I'm going to be trying to get accessories from fishing. I have 7 carrot on a stick and we're going to see if I can get any accessories from this. Last time I did a video like this, I only got kelpies. So I'm curious if you even can get them from this because it says used to catch basic kelpies and aquatic accessories. If you guys find out how to get those other fishing rods, please tell me because I still am yet to know. Anyway, let's get into the video. We're gonna start fishing. I decided to go over here because I feel like this is where there's least stuff like blacking. And yeah. I'm getting ready to flood the chat with my please wait to fishes. We got a kelpie. Okay, I'm gonna probably get rid of this one. I'm really wondering how you even get the accessories. Or if I'm doing this wrong and like there's a certain way to get the accessories, like maybe I have to collect them somewhere. I have no idea. I just expected it would like just bring them into my inventory, but I have no idea what's going on. Like I don't want more kelpies, but that's all it's giving me. There's another one. You're gonna have to keep waiting. Wait a minute. Did I just get something else? I think I just got money. Did I get accessories too? That was so quick, I didn't even see what happened. I don't think I got any accessories, but I think I might be able to get accessories another time, though, now that I know you can get stuff other than kelpies. Okay, well, I don't know what had just happened. I wasn't paying that much attention, but I think I didn't get a kelpie there, and it just was money. I mean, I wasn't refunded for the fishing rod, but, you know, better than nothing. It's better than seeing another kelpie. Did I just get more money? What is going on? Is it because my stable is full, so now I just can't get anything? I feel like that might be it. Well, I'll get rid of this one because I don't know. Maybe I had accidentally kept one of them, and now that's what it just gave me money. It just auto sold on maybe. You'd think it would not let you fish if you had a full inventory. Okay, so I think it was just because I had a full inventory, but now I don't know. Because I thought that I was getting money because it was like, you know, giving me money instead of a kelpie, but nope, it was just auto selling the kelpies without even showing the thing to me. No accessories. I'm still so confused. We're already 6 down now. That was kind of cool though. Let's see that one. Do we want this one? Let's see, do I have anything else to sell? I don't know. I need to sell one of my kelpies. And then I have this one and this one. I feel like I'm going to sell this one that I just got. Kind of like the other one. Okay. Let's see. How do I get these accessories, though? We're almost done. We already still haven't gotten accessories. If you guys know how to get accessories, please tell me. I'm so confused. There's a spot that you have to, like, get a different fishing rod from, but, like, this says you can catch basic accessories. So I'm not sure. Okay. Well, this was a big ol' fail. Well, I guess that's gonna end off this video. That's kind of sad. Wish we got accessories. Gonna check one more time to make sure. Yeah, no, I see no accessories. Okay, you guys. That's a great end off this video. Bye. Bye.